Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel CNG truck. Shut off the engine and follow safety steps immediately, including parking brake and no open flames. Verify the vehicle is in a well-ventilated area and inspect the fill port and hoses for damage. Connect the dispenser nozzle securely and follow the station prompts while monitoring the pressure gauge. After fueling, disconnect carefully and check for leaks before driving away. Start by aligning the nozzle and engaging the safety latch to prevent accidental release. Open the valve slowly and watch the station gauge closely to avoid overfilling, maintaining recommended tank pressure. Keep communication with the attendant if assistance is available and follow any posted station rules. When the fill completes, close the valve fully, remove the nozzle with care, and replace the dust cap to protect the port from debris and moisture. Always perform a leak test after fueling by inspecting connections with a soap solution or approved detector, watching for bubbles or hissing. If you notice any smell or sound of leaking gas, move away from the vehicle, ventilate the area, and call for professional help. Keep up with manufacturer-recommended inspections and recertification for the CNG tanks to ensure long-term safety and compliance with regulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.